For today's video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano tugtugin ang kantang Angel by Shaggy. So ang kantang to ay madali lang tugtugin dahil gagamit lang tayo dito ng 5 chords. So walang bar chord na gagamitin. So magsisimula tayo sa G, C add 9, D, C add 9, at D. Yung strumming pattern natin dito ay down, 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 up. So ganito siya. Down, 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 up. Then pag down, lipat ang chord. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Then pagdating natin sa last 2 chord, yung C add 9 at D, ay may iba yung kanyang strumming pattern. Magiging 1 down strum na lang. So ganito siya. Down, down. Ulitin natin. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, down. Bilisan natin ng konti. Ulitin natin. So, ganun yung kanyang strumming pattern. So, kapag nagawa mo yan, ay kayang-kaya mo nang tugtugin yung buong kanta. So, i-play natin yung chorus. You're my angel, you're my darling angel. Baby, sure you're my angel, you're my darling. So, ganun lang tugtugin ang kantang Angel. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and enjoy!